Does coffee really dehydrate you? Coffee contains caffeine, a weak diuretic. A diuretic is something that causes your body to pass more urine, which means it also loses water. This is probably what led people to believe that drinking caffeinated drinks, like coffee, could contribute to dehydration. But the truth is that your body builds up a tolerance to caffeine in just 1 to 4 days. So, if you drink coffee regularly, you probably experience even less of its diuretic effects. Not to mention that coffee also contains a lot of water, which helps further balance out these effects. According to a 2014 meta-analysis, caffeine doesn't cause dehydration in healthy adults even when they're exercising. Most of the studies included in this analysis used a normal drinking pattern of 300 milligrams of coffee or other caffeinated beverage. A 2015 study, which looked at how different beverages affect hydration, found that people urinate the same amount after drinking coffee, soda, tea, and water. Should I avoid coffee if I am dehydrated? Coffee probably won't dehydrate you. But it also might not help if you're already dehydrated. If you're dehydrated, and it's not an emergency situation, the best beverage to consume is a rehydration drink, also called a sports drink or electrolyte solution. Rehydration drinks, essentially water with added sugar and minerals, help to replace the fluids your body has lost. You can also eat water-rich foods like watermelon, soup, and salad. But remember, dehydration can become a medical emergency. If you're not able to keep fluids down, you may need to see a healthcare provider. And if you're having trouble breathing, or are feeling confused or dizzy, you should get care as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for exciting videos about